Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to show you how I remove my facial hair with facial razors. So come on, let's do this. So first, I've washed my face with a mild face wash. You can use any face wash of your own. Now after this, I'll moisturize my face with Pond's SuperLight gel. This is a gel-based moisturizer. You can definitely use your own moisturizer or whatever you have. And I'll apply it in dotted motion and I'll circulate it all over my skin gently till it absorbs within. You don't need to hurry, do take your time massaging thoroughly. These are the facial razors I use generally, and please, one thing to be very careful about is the blade is very sharp. Now you have to stretch your skin and you have to gently and carefully like apply the razor towards the direction of your hair growth, and after that it's done. Now wipe it in a napkin. Here I've increased the speed of the video because nothing extra or nothing more we're going to be doing. The very same procedure I'm going to be using over here. Gently using the blade all over my skin. That's it. And after everything is done, wipe it thoroughly, clean it, and then put the cap back. Okay, so after this procedure, you need to apply either a gel moisturizer or a aftershave lotion, anything of your choice. Now that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next video of mine. Till then, stay good, stay safe. Bye.